Hi friends, I am Abhishek from Techmaster. Today I am going to show you how to get rid of a common problem which we are facing nowadays in our smartphones. When we tap on our camera to record a video or on our audio recorder to record a audio, we find something like this: com.google.android.google quick search box. This means that our audio or video cannot be recorded at the present time. This is because when we give permission to Google Apps, we also give permission to microphone. This you can see in settings in your smartphone. I am using Honor 5X. See, you can open apps, go to Google, go to permissions, tap on the microphone option. See, it is written that if you deny this permission, basic features of your device may no longer function as intended. Don't be afraid after seeing this message. Click on deny. This will help you to get rid of your problem which you are facing for a number of times while recording or an video or an audio. So friends, this is what I had for today. Thank you.